All right, what's up everybody? Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a natural, environmentally friendly weed killer using some simple household products. I've been using this for quite some time. I'm surprised I haven't made a video yet, but I said, well, it's time to make a video about this. So wanted to share this with you in case you've been using toxic stuff that's just not good for the environment, or pets, or kids, or this stuff is a lot friendlier and I think a lot cheaper too. So let me show you what we're going to need. We're going to start off with some white vinegar, a full gallon, and then some salt, just about a cup full of salt, and then a tablespoon of Dawn dish soap. And I'm going to be applying it, mixing it and applying it with a pump sprayer. I really like this thing. I invested in this like about a year ago when we first moved to this house. So anyway, with that said, let's go ahead and get it mixed up. It's pretty easy to do and get this stuff applied. And I'll show you how I do it. All right, so the vinegar's first. This thing's pretty cool, this sprayer. It's got this little built-in filter, and for a reason it keeps a lot of that dirt and just whatever might blow in there out of the actual pump itself. Next up is the salt, and it would help if I took the filter off. This will dissolve after I shake it up. We'll keep that off too. And next we'll put in the Dawn soap. And we're doing a tablespoon. I've got a half a tablespoon here, so we'll do 2 of these. 1 tablespoon total. And we'll get that stirred up, mixed up, and should be ready to spray. All right, we'll get this thing on. I just shook it up quite a bit. And now this stuff's non-selective, so if it touches grass or weeds, it's gonna kill either one. It does not discriminate. And I am gonna wait. You can see the sun's poking out. It's kind of midday, well, late afternoon, I would say, at its highest point during the day, and that's gonna accelerate the dehydration process with this stuff spraying on weeds. So like my lawn out there, I would not use this on, even if I saw a weed like that weed right there, because that'll just kill anything around it. Kind of like my dog's pee over there. So this is really good for like sidewalks, gravel. See all this growth right here on this little gravel area. My kids are so messy, but this will work really good for in between cracks and just this kind of stuff. And I can apply it without having to worry about poisoning the kids. So I love this sprayer because it's got a nice wide fan. So it really maximizes how much it's using or how much it's covering. I got some allergies out here, so sorry about that. And anywhere I see green growth, I'm gonna apply. Again, who cares if I get this stuff on basketballs or foam, whatever all that stuff is. I don't know why we have a sled out. It's not winter. Kids can really destroy a place. It's hilarious. Gotta love them. And the best part is, like I said, this is non-toxic stuff. So if there's runoff into like water, which there is right down here, it's not going to kill all the fish. That pond is stocked. And so that is a win-win. So I recently built this trail and I want to prevent some overgrowth. So let's take the sprayer out here and get weeds sprayed down. So we'll just exhaust the entire contents of the pump sprayer until there is no more. And if you need a new batch, you can make a new batch. But you can see we're spitting here. We're about empty, but you can see we just want to coat everything, the top surface of all the weeds. And over time, look at that, just within a 12 to 24 hour range. It depends on the environment and the weather and whatnot, but you want to apply this when there's no rain, obviously. But you can see it starts to die, which is what we want. All right, we'll stop the video there. Hopefully this has helped you out. Good luck.